Hi there. Today I'm excited to review this Oreck floor scrubber and give you a live demonstration of how it works. If you're already thinking about purchasing one of these, check out the Amazon link in the description below. Now let's get real here for a second. My floor was a mess. I'm talking about serious dirt and grime here. And the grout, don't even get me started. Just look at this nastiness. Ugh. But check this out. I gave this scrubber a whirl, and the results? I mean, just look at it. You can see the difference for yourself. All right, time for some action. Let's set this camera up and focus it on the floor so we can watch this thing live. I'll put the recipe to that solution down in the description below. All right, let's clean it up and take a look at the difference. Look at that. Look at that. Check out that difference. Wow, just wow. Talk about a transformation. It's like night and day. If you've got floors that need a regular cleaning, this isn't just a purchase, it's an investment. Trust me, it's a game changer. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel so I can quit my day job, make these videos on a full-time basis. My boss might not like it, but I'd really appreciate it. Thank you all for watching. You all have a great day. Take care. Bye-bye now.